Let's get rid of those dry, flaky lips with this DIY home remedy lip scrub. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe by hitting that button down below and make sure to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. The supplies that we're going to need are some raw honey, some carrier oil. I'm going to be using almond oil, but you could also use a coconut or a jojoba oil. I'm going to be adding some grapefruit essential oil, but you could really add any of your favorite essential oils to this mix. And then we've got a liquid measurer, 1 tablespoon, a little mixing bowl, and then this is actually a little painting mixing tool, but it's going to work perfectly for our lip scrub, a 2-ounce container to store it in, and then we'll also be using some simple granulated sugar. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the almond oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we're gonna mix it all together, and I think mine needs a little bit more sugar. There, that is a good thick consistency. Now for your essential oils, it might take a different amount for the different essential oils because they all have a different strength of scent. We're gonna start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stir that up and see how that is. And then I'm just gonna smell it. I could use a little bit more. We're gonna put 3 more in there. 1, 2, 3. Give it a good smell again. Still needs a little bit more. We'll do 3 more. So we'll have a total of 12 drops. That's good. I like that. We've got our little 2-ounce container here that we're going to store it in, and this will last for up to a month if you keep it in a cool, dry place. Of course, if it starts to smell rancid or yucky, then go ahead and discard it. I'm gonna take my little measuring cup here, and I am just gonna drain out a little bit of the excess liquid. Not all of it, just some of it. There we go. So we have that nice sugar scrub. Yay, I'm so excited to use this. Okay, then we're just gonna pull that into our little container. And now, of course, we have to use it. I'm just gonna keep this little spatula. Pull just a pea-sized amount. You really don't need that much. We're just gonna put that directly onto our lips. And kind of makes a mess. Best to do it over a sink. And just move that around. And then, ooh, and it tastes good too. And then with a damp cloth, just wipe it off. My lips are so soft. I love it. How do they look? If you want more fun at craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.